Learn English to Gujarati travel phrases.
હું ક્યાં શોધી શકું? અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે?
And more. Welcome to your Gujarati survival adventure. Hey, you are about to learn 6 super useful Gujarati travel phrases, and yes, you will sound smarter than your confused map app. Let's make this fun, practical, and easy to remember. Picture this. You land in Gujarat, you are hungry, your phone wants Wi-Fi, your ears want slower speech, and every door in town is playing mysterious games. Good news. Today you learn how to ask.
હું ક્યાં શોધી શકું?
For, where can I find?
મારે આરક્ષણ કરવું પડશે?
For, do I have to make a reservation?
શું તમે તે વધુ ધીમે કહી શકો?
For, could you say that more slowly?
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે?
For, is there Wi-Fi here?
શું તે ખુલ્લું છે?
For, is that open? And,
શું તે બંધ છે?
for, is that closed? Basically, this is the chapter that saves your stomach, your schedule, your dignity, and your internet connection. Phrase 1. Finding stuff without panic. Let's start with the phrase that turns you from lost tourist into elegant explorer. Say it with curiosity, not despair. The key phrase is,
હું ક્યાં શોધી શકું?
where can I find? Need the station? Say.
હું સ્ટેશન ક્યાં શોધી શકું?
Need a pharmacy? Say.
હું ફાર્મસી ક્યાં શોધી શકું?
Need a taxi? Say.
હું ટેક્સી ક્યાં શોધી શકું?
Funny memory trick. Imagine searching for your glasses while they are already on your head and asking dramatically.
હું ચશ્મા ક્યાં શોધી શકું?
Your brain loves embarrassing images. Use that power. Mini drill. Repeat after me.
હું ક્યાં શોધી શકું?
Again.
હું ક્યાં શોધી શકું?
Phrase 2. Reservation or risk. Now let's protect you from the tragic sight of a full restaurant and your own disappointed face reflected in the window. Here comes the booking phrase. Say.
મારે આરક્ષણ કરવું પડશે?
Do I have to make a reservation? Use it before dinner, before a hotel stay, or before entering a place that looks popular enough for 3 weddings and a film shoot. Imagine a tiny squirrel in a fancy suit standing at a 5-star restaurant, clearing its throat, and politely asking.
મારે આરક્ષણ કરવું પડશે?
If the squirrel can do it, so can you. Quick rhythm practice.
મારે આરક્ષણ કરવું પડશે?
One more time, full phrase.
મારે આરક્ષણ કરવું પડશે?
Phrase 3. Slow down, kindly. This next phrase is pure gold when someone talks like an auctioneer who drank 5 coffees. You stay polite, calm, and clever. The phrase is,
શું તમે તે વધુ ધીમે કહી શકો?
could you say that more slowly? The magic word here is,
ધીમે.
meaning, slowly. Picture a parrot speaking at lightning speed. You raise a gentle hand and say.
શું તમે તે વધુ ધીમે કહી શકો?
Suddenly the parrot sounds like a sleepy professor. Perfect. Try it in chunks.
શું તમે તે વધુ ધીમે કહી શકો?
Now the full sentence.
શું તમે તે વધુ ધીમે કહી શકો?
Phrase 4. The sacred search for Wi-Fi. Let's be honest. Sometimes language learning begins with culture, and sometimes it begins with needing internet immediately. No judgment here. Ask.
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે?
Is there Wi-Fi here? The first word.
અહીં.
Means, here. Very useful when your phone is staring at you like a betrayed friend. Imagine entering a cafe and asking.
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે?
Before you even look at the menu. A little dramatic? Yes. Unrealistic? Absolutely not. Mini dialogue. You say.
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે?
The owner says yes, and suddenly you love the cafe, the chair, the wall color, and maybe the entire neighborhood. Repeat it twice.
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે? અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે?
Open, closed, or secret door drama. Now for two tiny but mighty questions that help you deal with shops, doors, gates, and suspiciously quiet places. These two are a pair, so learn them together. For, is that open? Say.
શું તે ખુલ્લું છે?
For, is that closed? Say.
શું તે બંધ છે?
The contrast is easy.
ખુલ્લું
Means open and
બંધ
means closed. Imagine two doors. One glows invitingly and whispers.
શું તે ખુલ્લું છે?
The other has a giant lock and grumbles.
શું તે બંધ છે?
Your brain now has a mini soap opera. Excellent. Quick contrast drill. Open?
શું તે ખુલ્લું છે?
Closed?
શું તે બંધ છે?
A silly travel dialogue. Time to hear all 6 phrases in one ridiculous little story. Follow along and enjoy the chaos. You arrive in a new city, carrying a bag, a phone at 2%, and the confidence of someone who absolutely prepared, emotionally. You ask a local.
હું સ્ટેશન ક્યાં શોધી શકું?
The local answers very fast. You blink and say.
શું તમે તે વધુ ધીમે કહી શકો?
Then you spot a cafe and ask.
શું તે ખુલ્લું છે?
Another person shrugs, so you ask.
શું તે બંધ છે?
At last the owner opens the door. You step in and ask the truly important question.
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે?
Then you smell amazing food and remember practical life. You ask.
મારે આરક્ષણ કરવું પડશે?
Congratulations. In under 2 minutes, you found transport, slowed speech, checked a door, hunted Wi-Fi, and protected your dinner plans. That is elite travel behavior. Quick quiz time. Let's see what's stuck in your brain. No pressure, unless your imaginary cafe is closing in 30 seconds. How do you say, where can I find?
હું ક્યાં શોધી શકું?
How do you say, do I have to make a reservation?
મારે આરક્ષણ કરવું પડશે?
How do you politely ask, could you say that more slowly?
શું તમે તે વધુ ધીમે કહી શકો?
How do you ask, is there Wi-Fi here?
અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે?
How do you ask, is that open?
શું તે ખુલ્લું છે?
And, is that closed?
શું તે બંધ છે?
Friendly wrap up. You did great, and your future traveling self is already grateful. Seriously, that version of you is eating well and using free Wi-Fi. Today you practiced 6 powerful Gujarati survival phrases.
હું ક્યાં શોધી શકું? મારે આરક્ષણ કરવું પડશે? શું તમે તે વધુ ધીમે કહી શકો? અહીં વાઈફાઈ છે? શું તે ખુલ્લું છે?
And,
શું તે બંધ છે?
thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases a few times today, and don't worry about being perfect. Being understood is already a big win. See you in the next chapter.